In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove birthdays from your Google Calendar. Have you ever opened your Google Calendar hoping to get a clear view of your upcoming events, only to be bombarded by birthday notifications cluttering your schedule? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many find the default birthday reminders on Google Calendar a tad overwhelming, especially when it feels like every acquaintance and long forgotten connection is having a birthday. But fear not, because today we will walk through the simple steps to declutter your calendar and gain that much needed clarity. First, let's open up Google Calendar. You'll want to do this through your preferred web browser on your desktop. It's important to note that this process is tailored for the desktop version. Once you're on the Google Calendar homepage, you'll notice various panels and options both on the left and the right sides of your screen. Our main focus is going to be on the left panel. This is where you'll see a list of your calendars neatly organized under headings like My Calendars and Other Calendars. This panel is our gateway to customization. Now, under the My Calendar section, you'll see several calendar names. Among these names, there will be one labeled Birthdays. The trick here is less about removing the calendar and more about simply hiding it from view. This approach maintains your access to birthday information should you ever need it, without the constant reminders populating your schedule. Once you've located the birthdays calendar in the list, take a look at the checkboxes next to each calendar. As it stands, your birthdays calendar will likely be checked, meaning it's active and visible on your calendar view. By unchecking this box next to birthdays, you're instructing Google Calendar to hide these entries from appearing in your schedule view, giving you a cleaner, more streamlined calendar to manage your obligations. It's like turning off a light switch. The calendar entries are still there, but the spotlight isn't shining directly on them anymore. And there you have it, a clearer, more focused view of your Google Calendar with just a few clicks. Remember, should you ever wish to view birthdays again, simply revisit the left panel and check the box next to birthdays to make them visible once more. It's as easy as that. Don't let unnecessary alerts disrupt your day-to-day planning. Enjoy the newfound simplicity of your calendar and stay organized with fewer unwanted notifications popping up. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on how to make the most out of your tech tools. See you in the next video.